Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to take Glutathione Collagen Glow Gummies. Start by checking the product label for the recommended daily dosage. Most brands suggest taking 2 gummies per day. It's important to follow these guidelines to ensure you're getting the right amount of active ingredients. Taking them consistently, perhaps at the same time each day, will help your body integrate the benefits more effectively. Always prioritize the instructions provided by the manufacturer for the best experience. For optimal absorption, it's often recommended to take your Glutathione Collagen Glow Gummies with a meal. This can help your body process the nutrients more efficiently and may prevent any potential stomach discomfort. You might choose to incorporate them into your morning breakfast routine or with your evening meal. Establishing a consistent time helps you remember to take them daily, maximizing their potential benefits over time. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the quality and effectiveness of your gummies. Always keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or excessive heat, which can degrade the active ingredients. Make sure the lid is tightly sealed after each use to prevent moisture and air exposure. And, as with all supplements, store them safely out of the reach of children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion. With consistent daily use, you can expect to support your skin's natural glow and elasticity. Many users report noticeable improvements in skin texture and hydration after several weeks, typically 4 to 8 weeks, of regular intake. Remember, these gummies work best as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Patience and consistency are key to experiencing the full spectrum of benefits for your skin and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.